Yo guys, what up? So we've got a quick update here. There's been another release, the Octane 2026.2 31.5 beta release for Octane. I think on this one they fixed that issue with the with the color node where you had to connect it and change the color space. I think they fixed that on there. This one also says enabled resource cache optimization during RBX export, supporting internal color space node and the image node, which was kind of a pain, which is good now they fixed that. And then a bunch of bug fix, optimized cache of RBX export, support internal color space node, fix the problem with the virtual texture options in the UV tiler. I haven't played with that virtual texture yet. I'm gonna have to look into that. Fixed a missing node in the add node list, fixed converge to meshlet option, fixed noisy render results when inverting luminance is applied, fixed empty animation settings for issues when exporting RBXs, fixed the material update issue for linked append objects, fixed the tune ramp node socket, some more minor bug fixes. So this is a quick little video just to share this. I've got a couple of videos in the pipeline that I'm going to be dropping on the YouTube channel, the other YouTube channels shortly, as soon as I get those ready to roll. And other than that, take a look at the free Blender Octane community. Links down in the description. Peace.